The High Classic here. Morning.
Hey, buddy, how are you?
Good, how are you? Good
Good.
to see
You
you
did an
again.
excellent job
Ah,
last
thank
night.
you.
Excellent.
Thank you, thank
We
you.
uh we passed out the I mean we shared the video and everything.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
great job. Yeah. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
I appreciate that.
High Classic is here again with beautiful cars.
Yeah, how about big dog Charlie? Huh?
Uh
54 Common Charlie Acton Grill, one owner car, survivor car, never been painted. Okay?
huh.
Where's the next one? Where's the next one?
All right.
All right, brother?